Hello, Nasdaq followers, and welcome to another episode of Nasdaq Spotlight. Today, we are here to talk with a series of speakers from the Eureka conference hosted by Sisense. And joining me today is Neil Maida, IT manager at Magellan Luxury Hotels. Thank you so much for joining us.
It's great to be here. Thank you.
So tell us a little bit more about Magellan Luxury Hotels and what you do.
So what we do is we're a booking agency for hotels, for luxury hotels. We focus mainly on 4- and 5-star hotels in New York and other U.S. cities and around the world as well. So we deal with a number of corporate clients as well as people looking for that special vacation experience.
Great. Now tell us about how AI-driven analytic solutions and Sisense have helped evolve the business.
So we've been slow to adopt AI, but companies are starting to use things like chatbots and digital assistants to help enhance the experience for the travelers. We tend to use the machine learning algorithms that are available with AI in order to understand our clients' needs better. And so we use it as an augmentation tool with our sales agents so that we can provide the best experience for our clients as we can.
Mm-hmm. Now, Neil, we were talking about this a little bit off screen, but you were telling me how the hotel experience is very much a personal experience, as is now. Do you see that changing with the rise of AI?
You see it changing slowly. You see there's more use, as I was saying, about chatbots and assistants. A lot of the time they're very unobtrusive though, and people probably most of the time aren't aware that they're talking to computers. I don't see that changing very much in the near future for sure, because the hotel booking is very personalized, as we said. I equate it to the real estate agency as a parallel use case in that there's lots of options for people to use self-service for buying and selling homes, but they rely on the trust and experience of real estate agents instead because they offer a lot more insight into their decision-making process.
Now, where does AI and analytics then add value, and what still requires a human touch, which you've spoken a little bit to?
Right. I mean, there's a tremendous amount of data out there on any client that you're dealing with, and so in order to help summarize that information, we use AI, we use the processes of predictive and prescriptive analytics to help us get better insight into their needs. And then it then frees up our agents to have more meaningful conversations with our clients instead. So I don't really see that changing in the near future. I think there's always going to be a need to have that human interaction because it's such a personal thing. Hotel booking is such a personal concept.
And again, I mean, you've already touched on this, but for luxury travel in the future, what could an experience look like for the customer when AI is integrated?
When AI is integrated, so at some hotels these days, you're seeing virtual assistants popping up, so helping people make decisions about where to go when you're in the city, or what to do, or what experiences might be best suited to your needs. But we've seen in our industry that people still want that personal touch, as I was saying. We see that, and it's exemplified in the fact that our booking rate is about 20 points higher, so our close and getting people in the right spots is about 20% higher than the industry average, and our cancellation rate's about 10% lower. So we know that we're putting people in the right spots.
And do you credit that to the changes that you've adopted?
Yes, yes. All around the analytics that we're able to gain from the information that we have.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
All right, Neil, thank you so much for joining us. And
Great.
I hope you enjoy the rest of the Eureka conference.
Thank you very much.
Nasdaq followers, stay tuned for more programming that will happen right here at Nasdaq Market Site.